Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Optuna Cloud, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Optuna Cloud, start by visiting the official Optuna Cloud website. Look for the sign up button on the homepage and click it. You will be redirected to the registration page. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to create a strong password that includes a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Read through the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box to accept them. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email to the provided email address. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from Optuna Cloud. Click on the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, you will be taken back to the Optuna Cloud login page. Enter your email address and password to log in. After logging in, you may be prompted to complete your profile. Fill in any additional information as required, such as your organization or project details. Once your profile is complete, save the changes. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. Look for the documentation section to learn how to effectively use Optuna Cloud. Take some time to navigate through the various tools and resources offered. You are now ready to start using Optuna Cloud for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.